Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Stephanie. For those of you who don't know me, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can tell from the title today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my current curly hair routine. So I always change up my hair routine like all the time. I'm just one of those people that just likes to try new products. I'm the laziest person ever when it comes to my hair because I have so much of it. It just irritates me to fix it all the time, but I still have to because if I don't, then I look like this. Let me put it down for you. Let me show you. It's really knotted and stiff, but it's actually pretty dry. I mean, there's still some curls in there somewhere. I actually found two products that I'm really enjoying. These two products give you so much curl definition, they give you frizz-free curls and so much volume. Who doesn't want volume, frizz-free, defined curls? So I've actually really been enjoying these two products, so I just wanted to show you guys how easy and how simple my curl routine is now. First thing I'm gonna do is actually co-wash my hair. I'm gonna go in with the Curlsmith Curl Quenching Conditioning Wash. So it looks like this. My hair is not that dirty. I've actually just been shampooing my hair every week, to be honest, and I do co-washing in between. So since I only shampoo my hair once every 7 days, I actually go in with the co-wash every 3-4 days. So this is 4-day hair, so I'm just gonna co-wash really quick and then I'll come back here with really wet hair. So I just rinsed out my hair. I'm just gonna comb it out. It is pretty still, it's tangled still. Like that co-wash doesn't really detangle my hair for me, but that's okay because I'm gonna go in with a leave-in conditioner, so that's fine. And I'm gonna comb out my hair with this brush that I bought on Amazon. I actually really like this one. It's kind of similar to the Demnim brush, like the way the bristles are and it separates. This one actually gives you good curl definition as well, but I just feel like these give me a tighter curl, so if you want more of like a looser curl, this one's it. And I really like this one because it just combs out my hair faster, and I think it's like way cheaper than the Demnim brush. So I'm just gonna comb out my hair. Actually not that bad. I really enjoy this brush. It just combs out my hair way faster, and especially if like you're in a hurry and you still want curl definition, this brush gives you all of that. I just feel like the Demnim brush is more for like tighter curls, but if you have like thicker hair or like longer hair and you just don't want to deal with it like little sections, you can just go with this one, and it's half the price of the Demnim brush. I'll actually link it down below just in case you guys are interested. I'm just gonna go piece by piece and put a hair clip to section it. And I still feel like see how it's wet, but it's not soaked, like it's already drying. My hair is super on the dry side, so I'm just gonna re-wet it, the spray bottle, just so it can be soaking wet. But now I'm gonna go in with the Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner. So it looks like this. And what I do is just, it seems like it's thick, but it's not really. It's like this watery, I don't know, feel to it. You would think it's thick because of the way it doesn't come out fast, but it's not super thick. And I just put that much and distribute it evenly to each section. The next thing I'm gonna go in with the Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly. I'm just gonna put in that much and make sure to just, you know, use praying hands, but at first I just comb it out, and then I'm gonna go in on the other side and do the same thing. Once I already got the product in, the next thing I'm gonna do is go in with my Demnim brush. So I'm just gonna literally comb it out. I guess I kind of distribute it. I kind of just like get it in sections a little bit, not like too crazy, enhancing it more, but not too much. And then that's it. I leave it like that, and then I'll just get another hair clip so I don't mess with it and hold it back, and then just grab another section of my hair. So I got sections from each side and the back, and you see how my hair is already drying. I have really dry hair, even though I soaked it, like it just gets that dry so fast. So always have one of these in hand. You can use any spray bottle or just wet your hair under the sink. Just soak that hair, girl. Soak it. Okay, now I'm just gonna do the same thing, and I'm gonna go in with the leave-in conditioner and apply that much. And kind of make sure. Get a little bit more, put on the other side. I really love this leave-in conditioner because it really doesn't weigh down my hair, and I love that it says reparative. It smells so freaking good. And also, a lot of leave-in conditioners do kind of weigh down your curls, and this one I feel like enhances it even more. It just like defines your curls so much, but with the leave-in, it just like, I don't know, makes it, enhances it even more. Again, with the Demnim brush, I'm just gonna comb it out. To get more volume, you wanna like curl inwards, outwards, like not necessarily one way, because then it just all like gets stuck together and you don't get that volume look. So when you do go to the hair salon, if you've ever noticed, when they blow dry your hair or they curl your hair, they actually do it like differently. They don't do it one way to give you that volumized look, because if they do it all one section, your hair is just gonna get stuck together and look, you know, not so big. It's just gonna look big from the bottom but not from the top. So if you want more volume, you kind of just want to like mess with the curl pattern and like, you know, do different ways. That way your hair looks more bigger. And I'm just gonna keep doing that to the rest of my hair. I'm just gonna continue to do that. Literally just comb, you know, one section outwards, inwards, or just straight down, just to give it, just to mess with my curl pattern, just to give it volume. So I'm just gonna do the rest of my hair because I don't want to show you guys repeatedly what I'm doing, and then I'll come back once I'm done sectioning it up. Okay, so once my hair is soaked and the product is in, I just like to go in with the same t-shirt that I came out of the shower with, and I just end up scrunch it. And that's it. Just make sure it's not like dripping. And then I'll show you guys that once my hair is about like 70% dry. So I'll be back. So I'm back. My hair is about, I think it's about 70% dry. I'm gonna blow dry the rest of my hair to get more volume because it is getting kind of a little flat over here. I go in with the Dyson blow dryer, and I just use this regular blow dry head for it. I don't use a diffuser. So the way I just blow dried it, I literally just point going down. Like, I don't do anything crazy, but I do like flip my head back and forth so I can get volume like over here, if that makes any sense. But I'll show you guys. So I'm just gonna do cold setting and on medium pressure. Okay, I already did it with the medium setting, so I feel like it's cool, like dry enough to do it on the last setting. Put more pressure to just do it a little faster. Just gonna switch it up to the highest pressure setting. Okay, so my hair is completely dry, and I do have a lot of curls that are still like, you know, wrapped up together, clumped up together. As you can see in here, it's like most of all my clumpy curls, but I'm just gonna let them be, and I'll undo them tomorrow because I think this is enough volume for today. This is good enough for day one hair, so I'm happy with the results. I love how this leaves my hair so, look at how curled compared to how my other routine was. This is like so much definition, it's insane. Like, look at these curls. What is this? It's like, are you even real? Okay, so that is it for today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Oh God, my hair. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys next time.